This is homework problem number 47. We have a 2,000-pound car that is parked on a street that makes a 12-degree angle with the horizontal. And so the weight of the car, a 2,000-pound car, the force of gravity, that's 2,000 pounds. And that force of gravity has a component parallel to the incline that tends to push the car down the hill. And the force of gravity has a component perpendicular. So part A asks us to find the magnitude of force required to keep the car from rolling down the hill. And that would be parallel to the incline. And part B, find the force perpendicular to the street. So we need to find some angles. The complement of 12 is 78 degrees. And so we know that this angle is 12. So we can say that the cosine of 12 degrees is b over 2,000. So B, the force perpendicular to the street, is 1,956.3 pounds. And for part A, the sine of 12 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. So A, the force, the component of the force of gravity that's parallel to the incline, is 415.82 pounds.